It's here first from IPR. I'm Megan McKinney. There's a new online tool to help Iowans understand how to approach cancer screenings, and more Iowans are turning to out-of-state providers to access abortion care. It's Wednesday, July 22nd. Two Libertarian candidates are asking a judge to get them back on the ballot in the race for governor after they were kicked off last month. IPR's Isabella Liu has more on yesterday's court hearing.
A state objection panel took Nicholas Gluba and running mate Jules Cutler off the ballot for missing a piece of paperwork. The panel said Cutler was missing an affidavit of candidacy for lieutenant governor. A state elections employee claims Cutler did not offer the paper to her, but Cutler claims she offered the document to the state official and was told she didn't need it.
And then I handed her my affidavit, and I said, I'm a lieutenant governor candidate, here's my affidavit. And she looked at me really odd with that's not needed.
Cutler and Gluba also argue Secretary of State Paul Pate should have recused himself from the objection panel since it involved an employee of his. The judge will issue a decision at a later date. I'm Isabella Liu, IPR News.
More Iowans accessed abortion care through out-of-state healthcare providers last year than the previous 2 years. IPR's Natalie Krebs has these numbers.
2025 was the first full year an Iowa law banning abortion at around 6 weeks of pregnancy with exceptions was in effect. New numbers from the Guttmacher Institute, which supports abortion rights, found most Iowans had abortions using pills they received from out-of-state providers last year. Isaac Mato-Zimmet is a data scientist with the Guttmacher Institute.
In 2025, around 2/3 of the abortions occurring in Iowa were via telehealth, which is an increase from 2024 and a big increase from 2023.
The data also show about 2,400 Iowans traveled out of state for abortion care last year, more than double the number from 2023 before the law was in effect. I'm Natalie Krebs, IPR News.
A group of Iowans has created a free educational tool that makes cancer screening more accessible. Cancer Screen Iowa is an app and website that recommends what screenings to get and what to know before getting them. Currently, Iowa ranks second in the U.S. in cancer rates and is only average in screening rates. Mike Schreers, one of the people that created the platform, lost his wife to pancreatic cancer. He says the goal is to bring more awareness to the importance of cancer screenings.
What we can do is equip them with enough answers that they can take that first step forward. And the first step forward is calling a local clinic.
Schreers says cost and healthcare access are also barriers for Iowans. Their long-term goal is to build partnerships to support community outreach and screening programs for the uninsured. The owner of a livestock waste site located in the Luss Hills of western Iowa says it's shutting down. People who live near Castana express concerns about potential odors and environmental impacts. A representative from Hawthorne Land Holdings says the group made a mistake by failing to notify nearby landowners about its plan for the storage area. Hawthorne had planned to use the hog manure byproduct as fertilizer on its own fields. Hawthorne also claims it hired engineers and consulted agronomists to ensure the project met or even exceeded environmental standards. The Iowa DNR said the project did not require a permit in its early stages, and the manure originated from a pork plant in Sioux City. I'm Megan McKinney. Thanks for listening to Hear First from IPR Today. How's your week? It's Wednesday. Temperatures are nice, though. Hope you can get outside and enjoy it. Talk tomorrow.